If you're planning an event and need a way to stay organized, using project tracking tools is the key to staying on top of every detail. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use project tracking tools for event planning, so you can keep your tasks, timelines, and teams aligned and all in one place. By the end, you'll know how to leverage these tools to make your next event seamless. Let's dive into the process. The first step is to select a project tracking tool. There are many options out there, but the one we'll be using today is designed to be simple, intuitive, and efficient for managing event planning. You'll find a link to an exclusive free trial for this software in the description, just for viewers of my channel, so stick around to the end for that. Once you've picked your software, start by creating a new project for your event. This is where you'll enter the name, date, and general details. It's important to get this right because everything will flow from this central point. Most project tracking tools allow you to customize this project setup to match the specific requirements of your event, whether it's a wedding, corporate meeting, or large festival. Next, break your event down into tasks. Event planning can feel overwhelming because of how many moving parts there are, but breaking it down into smaller tasks is how you keep things manageable. With our software, you can create categories like venue selection, catering, vendors, guest list, and so on. Each category can have tasks assigned to the right team member, making it easy to track who's responsible for what. Once your tasks are set up, it's time to assign deadlines. Using project tracking tools, you can set dates and times for each task, so no deadlines slip through the cracks. Be sure to set realistic deadlines that give you buffer time, especially for critical tasks. These tools also let you track the progress of each task in real time, so you'll know if things are ahead of schedule or if you need to take action to catch up. The key to using these tools effectively is collaboration. You can invite your team members, share progress updates, and communicate in one central place. This minimizes confusion and keeps everyone on the same page. Our software allows you to send messages, share documents, and even set reminders for your team, ensuring nothing is overlooked. Another useful feature in these tools is their ability to track budgets. Managing the event's finances is just as important as organizing tasks. In the software we're using, you can set a budget and allocate funds to various categories. You'll be able to monitor expenses as they come in and make adjustments if you're overspending in any area. Don't forget to use the calendar integration to visually track your event's timeline. With a visual overview of your tasks and deadlines, you can get a quick glance at what's due today, this week, and in the upcoming months. It makes it easier to stay ahead of any deadlines and avoid last-minute stress. Lastly, use the reporting tools to analyze your event's progress. Once your event is underway, you can generate reports that show how tasks are being completed if you're on schedule and how well your team is performing. These insights are incredibly valuable for improving your next event and ensuring everything runs even smoother next time. Now that you have a solid understanding of how to use project tracking tools for event planning, here's your key takeaway. Breaking down your event into tasks, assigning deadlines, collaborating with your team, and tracking your budget are the essential components that make these tools so effective. To recap, select your software, create tasks and deadlines, collaborate with your team, monitor your budget, and use reporting features to keep everything on track. And don't forget, I've linked an exclusive free trial for the software we used in this video below, only available for my viewers. Thanks for watching. And remember to take full advantage of that free trial in the description if you want to follow along and plan your event with confidence.